You're looking to show your address of the house so people could find you. This may be the product you are looking for. It's solar driven by the sun, 365 from dusk to dawn. Now this thing is very easy to put in the ground, set up, and place your numbers on. So what we're going to go do is open this up, show you what you get inside the box, and how to set it up. This is a 4 to 5 number address sign with the full alphabet A through Z. You have 4 sets of 0 through 4 and 5 through 9. We're going to use the A through Z and put up a number sign for you, show you how simple it is. You're going to use one of the templates if it's green or white. And what you're going to do is feel for the area where this is going to slide in or place in to the area like so. You may want to get some tape to put things in here correctly. All you need to do is peel off number A if A is going to be your number. You're going to do your best to hold it down and align A as level as possible. Let's say our address number is A04C with the space. We can do that as well. And when we're finished with the template, we remove it and save it for another time if we want to change our house and our address number. We got plenty to use. We have poles. You simply take the coupler to the pole, like for like, snap it into place. As we slide everything in, notice the solar panel is adjustable to the sun. So if the sun goes behind the sign or in front of the sign, you can do so. On the back of the unit, there's an automatic and an off. Let's turn it on to automatic. And what I am going to do is shut my light off so you can see it light up. In the back, the button is going to be pushed like so to the automatic. You can see it lighting into 3 or 4 different colors, and here we are. We have a blue, a warm, whitish, and off. As daylight hits, the light should go off, and we put this towards the sun, and there you go. What we're going to go do now is we're going to stake this in the ground, and we're going to place it outside and see what it looks like on a nice sunny day, charging up, a nice wet day, trying to charge, and in the evening hours of the sign. We have here where we're going to put our sign, set it up for the sun. And we're all set. We have the sign all lit up. It says the address right there. Gives it a very nice look. As you can see, the sign's well lit up at nighttime. Really nice and bright, does a great job. From dusk to dawn, this will be on, and from dawn to dusk it'll generate the sun, doing a great job showing the address nice and clear. So as we have the sun hit it all day long, it'll recharge 365 without plugging it into any AC. Place it on your landscape anywhere you want. The sign lights up, nice area. It throws a nice light. As you can see, it's a different color, showing the address. The sun's hitting it, as you can see right here. And you have a great sign. Put up anywhere you want and adjust. The address sign, very bright at night, dusk to dawn, does a great job with an adjustable solar panel so you can get the sun if it hits it in the wrong spot and it angles correctly. It stakes up that you could adjust it to anywhere you want. And if you want to put it on the cement, you could drill a hole and put this stake in there, and you have a nice address sign. So I hope this product is something that you may be looking for that may be right for you.